7-4, coming to you. Right. Making a left on Ingram.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our second attempt at the first recording of this show. And I'm a little bit figuring this shit out still, so bear with me here. But I think I got some good footage for you guys, so let's hop right in here. I'm gonna have to blur some of this shit out, and unfortunately, but I'll I'll make the links available so you guys can go watch the full video or footage if you would like to. Let's get started, ladies and gentlemen.
Show me something trying to pull over. Unlicensed Toyota Camry. Not pulling over. Gonna be at Rose and Broadway. Headed westbound. Stopping? He's not stopping. 45 miles per hour. Oh, okay. Okay. Broadway and Woods. Broadway and Woods. I'm right here, Missouri. East or westbound?
I believe this is in Arkansas.
Probably 90 miles per hour.
The dash cam footage definitely isn't the greatest in the world.
Checking to 80 miles per hour.
Probably an older video.
Have them Dodges, 14 to Broadway.
My personal opinion on this shit is that they really need to take and um I know they've already started doing it, but like the grapplers and shit like that, or pop a tracker on the car. But I don't agree with the chases through like cities and populated areas and shit like that. Um, it's putting a lot of people at risk for one person that at this point in time can easily be tracked down to figure out who they are. That's my 2 cents on it.
90 miles an hour. Is anybody east of them? 7-4, I'm coming to you. Right. Making a left on Ingram. Alright, it's gonna be eastbound on top. On top.
Especially going through like city streets and stuff like this,
26,
like
southbound 26. Approaching Broadway.
neighborhood streets.
Eastbound on Broadway. Approaching Walker. Alright, stop, stick up. Just block him in. Oh yeah. Approaching. You okay? Yep, that's the trooper right there. No, fine shot. Check. 7-4, that trooper's coming up. Check. Trooper, take the lead. Work down, I'm okay. That's the trooper, has it. Still calling out.
And it seems to me they too like they've had multiple attempts to pit this guy in areas that weren't super populated, and they just keep chasing him on highly populated and highly trafficked streets. Like, in the chase or take him out, do one of the two. But but again, this is an older video. I know that they have different technology now than they did before. Let's get back to it.
Check for what's down him, okay? Trooper, just spin him out. Alright. Alright. Okay, he's continuing. Southbound him, okay? Still to the right. I'm gonna go lead, 6-4 lead, 6-4 lead. Check. Service road. He's gone. He's on the service road. Those units around the apartment complex up there. Okay, let them trouble.
But lower that glare. Oh, that dash cam is terrible.
Where it comes out, so we kill stop things by 4,000. 9-5, I'm in that area. Alright, I'm trying to get a problem. Trying to go around the street stop. I'm gonna be back westbound Broadway, westbound Broadway. Where's the trooper at? South 6 to 4, South 6 to 4, I think they know. I do, they're walking Broadway. Okay, we're close to walking, MLK and Broadway now, MLK and Broadway. Continue westbound. Try to get in front of them, I'm behind you. Trying to, you're going to say right on MLK. Okay, did the South 6 connect? So yeah, it's South San Diego, continue westbound, crossing MLK, crossing MLK. 65, I'm trying to get in front of them. Stop 6 deep work, he's got flash. Okay. Where's he at?
Oh shit.
Westbound,
He almost hit his own homie.
crossing Walker, westbound of Broadway, crossing Walker.
Again, you're just risking more people. Just
Going west on Broadway.
take this dude out.
Passing 26. And he hit the sticks. Yes, he did. Got a flat back right tire. Go ahead and try to get in front of him. Check. Or hold what you got. I'll get him there. Okay, he's swerving all over the road and you already get in front of him. Alright, it's off your flat 2 times. He's now traveling into oncoming traffic with 2 flat tires.
They're just putting more traffic at risk by pushing him to oncoming traffic.
Alright, he's
Fucking
coming up on
stupid.
14. Broadway. Still westbound. That's a nice screen. I'm coming up beside him. He's shooting over into oncoming traffic again. Alright.
So this is again is why I really like the concept of like the grapplers and stuff. They've had so many opportunities to stop this guy, and I don't know if why they haven't. Like, unless their vehicles are underpowered, it's a low budget police force or something. But in my opinion, this car could have been stopped a long time ago. And I mean, I like the grapplers. We'll see how this chase ends up here. Let's continue on here.
He's passing 7. Looks like he's going to turn south on 7, south on 7.
He just lost the time.
Yep, he lost time. Alright, get somebody beside him.
7-4, get inside.
Scoot up, Cripples. Southbound on 7th Street coming up to Jack.
We're back in another residential
Okay,
neighborhood.
we got units on 9 also. 8.
Just hit. He 7-4. He just 2-7.
Van Buren, keep going. Van Buren. So Van Buren going eastbound now, cross state. Van Buren cross house. If somebody else can get those 10 stops, they got the front cars. Alright, he's still going east?
Still going eastbound.
He's going across as well. He's across as well. What's your speed? 45 miles an hour. North on 14, north on 14. Coming back up to Broadway. See what you do, get him stopped before he gets to Broadway. Not before it's into Broadway. Jackie's approaching me now. Terrible because he does have a flat.
7-4, finna get beside him.
He's going to be continuing northbound to 14.
I mean, that SUV could have easily just pulled right out in front of dude and fucking taken him out. But these cops in this particular video are acting like little pussies and freaking. This car should have been done a long time ago. I don't know what the fuck their problem is, but, you know, if you're scared to do your job, maybe you should have a different job. This guy should have been done a long time ago.
On West, on Broadway.
Shit.
Coming up past the 26.
I fucking lost it. Bear with me, guys.
Scoot up, Cripples. Southbound on 7th Street coming up to Jackson. Okay, we got units on 9 also. 8.
Same thing, that dude could have freaking
7-4, he just
pulled in front of him, slammed on his brakes, and took that dude out.
2-7.
Van Buren, keep going. Van Buren. So Van Buren going eastbound now, cross state. Van Buren cross house. If somebody else can get those 10 stops, they got the front cars. Alright, he's still going east?
Still going eastbound.
He's going across as well. He's across as well. What's your speed? 45 miles an hour. North on 14, north on 14. Coming back up to Broadway. See what you do, get him stopped before he gets to Broadway. Not before it's into Broadway. Jackie's approaching me now. Terrible because he does have a flat.
7-4, finna get beside him.
Here we are. Here's where we left off. The SUV could have easily just pulled out there and freaking taken that dude out. They could have boxed him in.
Negative, I do not see him. Looks like he's attempting to turn westbound onto the college. Westbound on the college. Correction, eastbound. Try to get on up there, see if we can box them in. There's a lot of cars on the side of the road. I don't want to hit a car coming around them. Yeah, check. Somebody get the tools and stop it. Alright, we're still east on McCauley, about to turn north. southbound at this time.
In the box now, right here.
Alright, continuing north on McCallum. North on McCallum.
Like in the middle of a residential neighborhood is not the area to pit this guy.
Unit
Should have done it a long time ago.
Still north. Still north coming up on Barton. Continuing north past Barton.
I'm gonna stomp this motherfucker's face in.
When I get to 18, service road.
One wrong move, this dude goes into someone's living room.
Service road.
Now that house is in the crossfire of whatever's about to happen. Good lord. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Holy shit! Oh shit, man! That fucking cop got fucking run the fuck over. I was dumped on him too, but that shit would have happened if these dudes had stopped you guys a long time ago, man. Your homie would have gotten run over. Thankfully, this one doesn't seem to be too crazy. I don't think I have to blur anything so far. But shit, man, let's fucking keep going and see what's good here. The bike's gone. Oh shit, man, that was some wild stuff. Uh, I don't think the lady made it. The dude, I could see his hands moving around, and his hands moving around, put his hands up, but I mean, it's a little too late at that point. I couldn't really tell if there's anyone in the back seat. It's kind of hard to see. I think there was one person, but to me, it looks like that lady is no longer with us. Well, that's it for our first video, guys. That was a pretty wild chase right there and wild conclusion. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video. Much love, motherfuckers.